Today we talked specifically around high-tech, and so the challenges in high-tech, how we see the solution for these challenges, and then also have a discussion with the people present here.
The campus area where we are currently in is a 110,000 square meter surface in which 54 companies are doing productivity, education, innovation, and we consider this as our home base. It's the heart of the high-tech manufacturing industry in the southern part of the Netherlands.
The topics that I wanted to bring today were specifically focusing around technology, but mainly also on the human part of that. So we're talking a lot about tools, about software, about AI, but specifically I wanted to bring how we incorporate that into the organization, and especially in the culture and in the continuous improvement flow of our people. We see a lot of things happening geopolitically, and we as Europe need to make sure that we thrive via innovation and therefore work closely together.
I think the audience was very interested. I hope they will understand that it's possible. Given the current software, given the current digitalization, the platforms to make these changes happen are there.
It's very good to have a little bit insight in the future, but it's all possible.
It was very interesting for me to see the new development with introducing AI in production environments.
I learned a few new things, and one of the things I want to investigate is this software that makes the work instructions from a video. Because I see a lot of companies, they struggle to digitalize existing work instructions. They make new work instructions with new technology, but then they're stuck with all the old products. And actually I think there's a solution for that now, so I want to investigate a little bit more about that.